Wash your hands.
Hello there. Today we are making waffles. Supplies we'll need: waffles, syrup, butter, a plate, a fork, a knife, a napkin, and of course, a toaster. Let's get started. First step, open the box and get out one frozen waffle. Next step, put your waffle in the toaster, set it for 3, and push down. Oh, the waffle is ready. Ooh, it's a little hot, so I'm gonna put it on my plate. Ooh, it's golden brown. I wish you had smell-o-vision. I love waffles. Let's go get some syrup. Next step, spread some butter all over this golden brown waffle. And let it melt into the waffle. Look at that, perfection. Put the lid back on. Next step, syrup. Oh yeah, pour syrup all over your waffle. I love syrup. Syrup. Now, enjoy. This is good enough to eat, which is what I'm gonna do.
Put food back in the pantry. Put food back in the fridge. Put food back in the freezer. Throw away trash. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What did Mr. Tim make? A. Pancakes, B. Toast, or C. Waffles? The correct answer is waffles. What did he use to cook the waffle? A. Microwave, B. Stove, or C. Toaster? The correct answer is toaster. Where is butter kept? A. Pantry, B. Fridge, or C. Freezer? The correct answer is fridge. What did he put on top of the waffle? A. Jelly, B. Chocolate, or C. Syrup? The correct answer is syrup. What utensil did he use to spread the butter? A. Spatula, B. Spoon, C. Knife? The correct answer is knife.